My name is Oki Sato and I'm the chief designer of Nendo. We're here in Bangkok in Thailand for the opening of Siam Discovery.
Siam Discovery is the 18-year-old mall which I have closed down for a year for total renovation. I have been a big fan of Nendo, especially Oki Sato. When I thought about this new concept, I knew it was only him that I should work with.
The initial idea was how to create the flow inside of the space. When people walk in, I wanted people to look upwards or look through the space. In the beginning, there were small voids, but we tried to connect them as much as possible, so the atrium becomes more like a canyon. It's almost 60 meters wide. This wall stacked up with 220 cubes is used like an index, so people understand what's happening here in this space. It could be used for displays, for videos, a structure people can play with. The idea for the facade was to open up the walls as much as possible, leaving the structural parts. But in Bangkok, there's a lot of strong sunlight coming in, so we needed a screen. So we made a double skin wall, and we had the squares printed in 2 layers. You feel the depth, so you get the feel of the cubes in the atrium. The concept was Lifestlye Laboratory. We're not only going to sell products here, but it's about experience and it's about an inspiration and the chemical reaction. The ground floor is for ladies' fashion. We designed 20 different furniture pieces inspired by these diagrams. And then you go up to the first floor, the men's fashion area. You see the pedestals inspired by the DNA helix. And we placed flasks and other chemical instruments in between the products.
In a special corner which we call the Skin Lab, we have put all the skin cares and the fragrance for men on the lab table. So our men customer can come and try the skincare. Next floor up, we call it the Street Lab. It's everything about your street life. And going one more floor up is the Digital Lab. You can test and try the new mobile gadget and speakers.
We want to place huge objects in this space that look like a huge lens inspired by the microscope.
It's not that we present the product by brands or by the category. Instead, we present it by storytelling. So each place in this building will have its own story. Anybody can come, testing, creating, cultivating something for themselves.
This is definitely our biggest project that we've ever done. But it really doesn't make a big difference for me whether I design small packaging for chewing gum or if it's this huge retail store. It's always about giving small smiles to people in the end.